We've recently released a Runchat plugin for SketchUp. It ships with two major capabilities. First, it can import a screenshot, and second is it can take a 3D model that you've made with Runchat and import it into SketchUp. And in these videos, I'm going to show you a few things like how to turn screen grabs into high quality realistic renders with Nano Banana. We'll generate some 3D models and we'll bring them seamlessly into SketchUp. And then we'll tell an animated story of your design with Veo video. If you're looking for a walkthrough on how to install Runchat for SketchUp, we'll cover it in a separate video. You can check that on our YouTube channel, but basically you just install it from the extension warehouse. For today's video, we're going to use this model. It's called Parametric Bridge by D.DAS. That's from 3D Warehouse. All right, to start off with, let's have some fun by maybe making an exploded axonometric view of this bridge. I'm going to just pick an angle I want. There are some qualities of the style right now that would make it a little bit harder for Nano Banana to work with it. So I'll run you through a few quick changes that you can make to improve the results. The first thing to do is to go to Windows Styles. And I think the thing that for this model is going to potentially cause some problems is just the display of these textures and the tiling of them. Sometimes those will get retained even after we process them with AI. So we'll take this simple style I've made here. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab faces and we're going to just flat shade everything. And that probably will help us get a better result from the get-go. So now that we've done that, we can pick an angle we like, get this kind of close up. Nice kind of angle of a bridge like this. Capture a lot in the foreground. I think this is framed well enough for now. So go to click import screenshot here, and you can see that becomes immediately available in Runchat. Let's make an exploded axonometric. I'm going to select the node. And in the prompt bar here, you can see that we've got a tiny little film of our image, and we can say something about how to make an architectural exploded axonometric. It suggests for us two options here. The first one is going to be Gemini 3 Pro. The second one is 2.5 Flash. Nano Banana is effectively both of these. So this is Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana. And so for this one, I found that I get better results with Gemini 3 Pro. So I'm going to click that. It creates a node and immediately starts running it for us. Okay, so it's produced this interesting axonometric view. I think to be critical of this image for a moment, I think there are aspects of this image that are hallucinated or maybe structure that's more or less not real or not intended in this design. Although it's done a pretty great job of it, I think there's no substitute if you want a really high quality axonometric view to explode this geometry yourself. Take a screenshot of that and then use Gemini to style transfer or one of the other models available on Runchat. But I'm quite happy with this for now, so I'll proceed with this. And I think what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to do a pretty cool first last image to video with Veo. And it'll be this amazing animation between the drawn form and the other image we'll create.